ready to roll?
Let's roll.
Tariq says we should be clear through Mexico.
Going left. The water should cover our movement for a while. Stay in it.
This guy. Hold me.
Dusty, give me a... I have eyes on you. Five tangos. Six. There's six. Target down. One more. Seven. One move. Clear. Preacher, Voodoo, run point and watch for scouts. Rabbit, we'll take the trucks. Mother Pentagon. He's dead. Clear left. You don't need ammo. Move up. Voodoo, Preacher, go left. Rabbit, take point. Clear right. No movement. They're all toast.
Jump back, Spider-Man! Vamos, hits! No hold!
I just saved your ass. But
Yep. Jesus. How's our imagery miss this shit? Can't see everything. That's why we're on the ground. Come on. Dorothy's on the other side. Jimmy, we're almost at the OP. We have eyes on a large AQ camp. Numerous fighters, AAA positions. This is serious. Incoming! Get down! Splash over, motherfuckers.
Tally, firing. Tally, shot out. Tally target, engaging.
Yes. Nicely done, guys. Kill. Tango down. Hey! Between the rocks! They're done. You got him.
Destroyed. AFO Neptune is still racking and stacking targets on the southern end of the whale.
Did I not tell you to send in the ground pounders? What's happening with those infantry units?
I'm waiting on birds to send in those troops, sir.
Thank you for flying Ranger 2-1 lines. I'll be your steward as team leader today. Also known as first on, last up. Today we'll be serving rounds of 5.56. Go, go, go! Move, move, move! Out over here! What do you got? What do you got? Yeah, I got nothing. No targets. Rear is clear!
Markham Gold Digger 1, customers are dropped off.
One, 3 fire teams, 30 meters apart. The mission is to make our way to BP Ginger. Watch your fires. We are engaging combatants only. What the hell?
Adams, this way, come on!
I got it! Go! Go! Anderson, you made it!
Taliban serving us today. The shit went bad quick.
You wanted to see combat? Here it is.
What's your plan, Sarge?
First platoon is shot to shit. You're Bravo 1 now.
Roger.
We're gonna advance on that hill. See what's what. You're gonna flank them.
Sarge, high left, skyline! We've got targets on the right! clear.
Just get that air! Boss man, we are getting hammered! Do we have any air?
Stand by, Bravo 1-6. We are working on it this time.
Watch your shot! Running low on ammo! RPGs! Shit! Incoming! Get some! Yeah! Mark, direct that fire! Roger! Gunfighter! Bravo 1-6! Great guns! Direct your fire!
A good one. 06, breaking right on heading 270.
Hey, Gunfighter 1-1, we love you! Where you going?
Bagram, Gunfighter 6. Objective Betty is secure. Looks like our boys are getting out of there. AFO Wolfpack is reporting mortar positions on the whale. We're ready to locate and engage those two.
Targets identified. All guides from Panther on line of sight frequency.
Gunfighter 1-1, we took some fire back there. Be advised, we're test firing at 30 mil. You're going to engage with hellfires. What are these guys up to?
06, I don't like these guys.
1-1 tally, 3 trucks headed for that bridge west of the village. 1-1, watch 30 millimeter. We have visual of West. 1-1, you are clear, covering your break. Barbara, we have targets moving into the village. Are we clear to engage the village?
1-6, Barbara. Joseph confirms Taliban on its break.
06, 55 to the left.
We got some pepper.
I got that.
1-1, you're blocking our shot.
RPG.
1-1, are you okay? Nice shot, Hawk. Rotor discs behind you, search for targets.
Here we go. Targets, 11 o'clock, top of that ridge. Too close for hellfire.
Got them. Small arms and mounted weapons on vehicles.
06, bump up to altitude and fire targets.
Also, get closer.
06, your guns are up there. RPG, 12 o'clock in the canyon. Check mail. Target destroyed, Hawk. When you have my spot, go to hellfire.
Good mail. Hawk, get on the target.
38 is far for approximately 12 mics. Have crash rescue on standby.
Gunfighter 1-1, 12 mics, roger. They'll be ready for you.
We're going direct to the farm. Shortest distance.
No arguments here.
Take him out. Gun fail. Breaking left.
Nice kill.
That wasn't us. We have no gun.
Someone does. That was a hell of a shot.
Saved our asses.
Damn right they did.
At 1050 meters. Nicely done.
Dusty, this is Panther. Tell dudes, nice shooting. Textbook example of how to get ahead.
Panther, ridgeline, 12 o'clock.
Bust him. Hit. He's moving. He's got a radio, Deuce. Indian. Green on targets, D. All right, Deuce. Bust him. He's toast. Fuckers are on the radio. Who are they talking to now? They know something's up. Hey, sniper, find him. Just saw him. Under that tree, between the tent and the boulder. Be for a party. Let's crash it.
Panther, Dusty, we found the camp. 4 enemy fighters visible. Lots of gear, ammo, and supplies.
Roger. Do you think, Dusty?
Wilco, I count 4 targets. Forget that guy in the lean-to. On the left. Take the shot. What are you waiting for? Come on, take him down.
Targets left.
Go right. Copy, Mother. Gas available at 15 mics. Fast movers are supporting the Rangers' egress from the valley.
Check. Cash at 15 mics. We're proceeding back to our insertion points. Taking care of these guys. Mother out.
Roger that, Mother. Dusty, can you get eyes on and assist Neptune? Predator is not on station.
Grenade, get!
Shoot.
Brother, Tango's on the ridge. I don't have a shot. Dusty, he's behind the rocks. You got this guy?
Juice, you see the RPG guy? 3 o'clock.
He's on the ridge line.
All right, Dean. Drop him.
Where's Neptune? They're on the western slope of Tucker Gar. They're engaged with enemy forces moving uphill.
Sir, we're seeing activity.
Rabbit, get to the bird! Neptune 1, we're in position at the LC. We're getting a single air. Get to the bird. Number 1, hold it down. We're home. Patrick, Damon, Neptune, we have upgrades down in the middle of the course. It's gonna be pretty. Roger, look for secondary LC, Bravo 1. We can move. Hey! Roger, Neptune. Lifting. Banking. Stop that news is clear. Neptune 1, stand by. What's the deal, mother? Primary's a no-go. Moving to secondary LC. Move! Move, move, move! Target's on the 6. Keep that hut. Out the back door. Move. Stay with us. Come on, let's go! Come on, let's go! Fall back to the bird! You know it, brother. Coming you cross. Rex, get on the tail gun! Voodoo, preacher, go, go, go! Move! Get up, now! Rex, take him out! We have 2 friendlies on the ground! Damn it! Hang on. Good, take these fuckers out! Mother, this ridge is unstable. We need to find another LZ. Alright, get the cover. We're gonna find another LZ. Copy that. It's a clear path for us, right? We need to move. You got it. Rex, take out those guys. One looks good. RPG, let's go over here. Below the building. Roger, roger. Mother, we are setting down on that ledge and you're 2 o'clock. Rachel, move out. Get to that ledge. It's 12 o'clock. Voodoo, we'll cover you. We're gonna need more volume. Rabbit, stop them. Voodoo, we're shutting down. You have to move. Approaching secondary LZ. Voodoo, preacher, now or never. Let's go. We're coming in. We're not gonna get a second chance. Get ready, mother. I have control. I have control. Everyone down.
Get on your weapon, Adam! We got targets!
Bravo 1-6, we have fast movers vectoring to your grid.
Over here! On me! What now, son? Keep fighting. Your man says there's no extraction. Air is vectoring to our grid. We got another bunker! There's an MG in there! Kill. One more down! Got it! Frag out! Hernandez, where you hit? Shit! Took it in the arm. I think it went through. Friendly! Friendly!
Preacher, blue!
Holy shit. We got you.
God damn it, where'd you Army boys come from?
You didn't see that Chinook drop out of the sky?
We've been a little busy up here.
We're the QRF sent to get you guys.
Voodoo.
I'm on it. 6.
Got it.
Chechens. Shit.
We're on foot and moving to the location now.
We'll go.
Voodoo, cover the door. Shit. Tariq? If he flipped, he didn't do it by choice. Get down! Damn, mother.
Target in 5 seconds.
That's nothing. Let's move. Don't let him get the truck. Fucker. Preacher, watch the left. Grab it. Eyes on the right. Hang on. Oh, that was close.
Mother and Panther, we have gas on station. Contact boss man on the AFO Freak for fast mover and Warthog fire.
Roger, Panther. We have eyes. Guys on the right. Take him out. Grab it. 12 o'clock. That's done. Get him. Those 80s. Panther's still getting dropped on. Eyes open. Let's find the mortars.